Welcome back to the channel. We are working again on the ZX14 and we are replacing the front brake pads. There's a story behind the brake, so it the story may come on the next few videos. But for today, it's going to be just the front brakes. Just prepare your tools, 6 millimeter for your um, caliper mounting bolt. So 5 millimeter for your retainer pin, and of course torque wrench for tightening. Yes, if you go to a shop and they are not using a torque wrench, run away. Run away as quick as possible. So what else? Of course, our soapy water with a bit of mineral spirit. We use, well, I use mineral spirit here because we don't have kerosene. I would rather use kerosene because they're much more cheaper. And that's it. So let's start on this. So let's just start with the retainer pin. So, because while it is mounted, it is easier. Don't use your ratchet because you will definitely break it. Let's bring out the breaker bar. Doesn't feel good. So if it doesn't feel right, just tap it a bit. Because we don't want to ruin round off the head. Ah, there you go. Let's remove the retainer pin. And then the pads. Some bikes we can actually just remove the retainer pins and put the brakes, but the reason why I just don't do it that way, I just want the pistons to be cleaned when we put new pads. Press on the brakes. And then we will clean it with our special formula. Not so special. Then rinse it off. Now let's wait for it to dry. Let's clean the retainer pin. If this is too deep, then you need to replace this. This will still work. So let's dry this with compressed air. Now before you push this in, put a bit of brake fluid so it will lubricate the pistons. Now let's push this in. There shouldn't be resistance. If it does, then your pistons is not square. I mean, it's not, you know, it's, crooked. So, one by one, a little bit from each pistons. If you push this all through in, one will pop out. Now, you might be asking, why not buy the tool, Jonas? Well, you don't get the feel if the piston is squared. And it's not so hard. No, it's not like cars, brakes, where you really need the tool. Let's just wipe this clean a bit. Then we are ready to put the new pads. The new pads are EBC FA4174HH. So they are very simple. Two pads inside. Inner pin. Oops. And then the spring. Where's the spring? Now make sure that this side will go in this groove. Then push the pin into the spring and then into the pads and then through here. Then later we will tighten this within spec. Spring. Now the groove is on top. It won't go wrong. Because if you flip it, see, this is short. So you won't go wrong. Piston's ear into the pad's ear, into the spring. So the spring, the ear spring will go under and then into the pad's ears again. I'm referring to this when I say the ear. The pads are in their positions. Bolts were cleaned and then torque to spec. This is 34 foot-pounds. 12.7 foot-pounds for the retainer pin. Both brakes are now on. So all we have to do now is press on the brakes. Make sure that your pads will be in contact with your disc. And then do your braking process, which I will put a link at the end of this video if I have the chance. Because for me to put the link, I need to access a PC which I just borrowed my daughter's. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.